Hi guys, my name is Mohammed. I am from the 7th grade and today I'll be talking about the two types of circuits. The first circuit is a series circuit. Series circuit is a circuit in which all the parts are connected in a single loop. If there is any break in that loop, the circuit would not work anymore. If we were to take out one of the lights, there would be a break in the circuit and the other lights would turn off. But if we were to put it back, the other lights would turn on. This would not be very practical for using in your home. Let's say your fridge and your lamp were connected in a series circuit. If you wanted to turn on your fridge, you would have to turn on your lamp. But if your lamp's light burns out, then your fridge would no longer work properly. The second circuit is parallel circuit. Parallel circuits are a circuit in which all the parts are connected through one or more loops. Each loop, if there is a cut in them, the lights would work through the other loops. If we turn this on and one of the loops didn't work, the lights would still turn on through the other loops. Each circuit in your home is a parallel circuit. Parallel circuits work with all types of AC power and all types of outlets. I hope you got benefits from this video. Thanks for watching.